Last class, I discussed about I have shown some example of the Arduino programming, right? So how to LED blink within a various time interval. This I have shown in the last lecture, right? So in that lecture, I have told that there are the two kinds of the you can do the LED blinking in two different way. One is the you can rather connecting any external LED, there is one LED that is inside the Arduino. In this way you can do, or otherwise you can externally connect the LED. Okay, so now if you want to connect the multiple LEDs, suppose you can see that in various occasions you can see the different lighting, right? Different lighting. So you can see the multiple colors of LEDs are blinking in different time interval. So this kind of the phenomena or logic also you can build using the Arduino. Right, so you can see that in this diagram I have shown that the three different LEDs are connected to the Arduino. One is the red, green, yellow, right? So within a consecutive time interval, this LED can blink in three different sequence. Right. Here the program will show in the end of the lecture. Okay, so normally I will explain a little bit the whatever LED blinking program I have shown you. For a single LED blinking, the program is almost same. So here the three variable declaration can be done because the three LED you have connected. So for that, so you are declaring three variable. One is the int LED pin 9, int LED pin 10, int LED pin 11. Okay, so how long you want to turn on the LED, any kind of the red, green or yellow LED. So you have to mention the LED delay time. Okay, int on is equal to 1000, int off is equal to 1000. So under the void setup function, you have to configure all the pin number which will be act as a output pin, right? Because you are turning on the LED, you want to send the logic 1 signal from the microcontroller to the LED. Okay, so so under the void setup function, you have to mention this thing. Okay, pin 10, pin 9 as a both three variable are act as a output pin mode. Okay, now under the void loop function, you have to write the main program. First, you want to turn on the pin number 9 where the green LED is connected. Okay, so you want to write the code like digital write. You want to you want to do the writing operation, that is the value is the digital in from. So then the digital write. So the 9 pin will be turned on. Okay, after that it will be stay for a long for a some time, and then the ninth number pin will be turned off. Okay, it will be stay for a some time, and then the next pin number 10, that will be turned on. Okay, and then it will be stay for a some time. In this way you can write for the pin number the same this set of instruction, this whole line of code you have to write the three times, but you have to change the variable name. Here LED 10, here LED 11. Okay, the same program, same set of instruction, four lines of code you have to write in the three times, but the variable name will be changed. Okay, so this is the same program as a single LED blinking, but under the void loop function you have to write it the three times, and again you have to declare the three different variable for three different LEDs, right? I hope you have understood, and I will show in the end of the lecture in the Tinkercad. Next come to the one program, so that is the any kind of the object detection using the IR light. Okay, any kind of the object detection using, and the another IR LED will be emitted. Okay, so the LED detector, there is a one kind of the detector, IR detector, which can detect any object is present or not, and if object is present, then the light will be turned on. Another digital light will be turned on. If object is not present, no light will be turned on. So detector will detect the phenomena whether object is present or not. Okay, and if the object is present, the detector will so normally one can do the, here you can see, so one IR LED is there. Okay, what is the concept of this IR LED? Okay, so this, if you are the IR LED is transmitting something. Okay, if it is obstructed by any object, okay, then the signal will be transmitted to the IR detector. Okay, whatever information is stored in the IR detector, this information will be transferred into the Arduino. So the program will be write in the such a way for based on the based on the data, whatever data is sent into the Arduino. Okay, based on this data, here another LED is connected, that will be turn on or turn off. Okay. So here you are connecting the IR LED, but here you can connect the red LED or any kind of the color LED. Okay. So there is one detector, IR detector. There are the 4 pins. So third pin is not connected. Normally LED 3, LED 4 and LED 1. These two, LED 4 and LED 1. LED 4 is connected to the negative pin of the IR LED, and because this whatever configuration is explaining, I'm explaining. This is shown in the figure only. Pin number 1 is connected to the positive pin. Okay, pin number 2 is the output pin of the IR detector, which is connected to the Arduino. Okay, and pin number 3 is the ground pin, right? Now and again, and so there is another LED. This LED you can connect, the negative terminal will be connected to the ground, and the positive terminal will be connected to the any one digital terminal of the Arduino. Okay, so what is the main thing? What is the concept? What is the logic? Okay, if suppose any object is present in front of the IR LED, okay, so that the suppose logic high will be sent to the IR detector. So the IR detector, that logic high, that will be sent to the Arduino. Okay, if no exit is present, so IR detector will send the logic low to the Arduino. Okay, so whatever informations are there inside the IR detector, this information will be passed to the Arduino. Okay, based on the information, the LED will be turned on and turned off. What is the concept? If object is there, the LED will be turned on. That means this object is there, IR light, IR detector will send the logic high to the Arduino. If object is not there, then IR detector will send the logic low to the Arduino. Okay, so the IR detector is connected to the pin number 6. This I am storing as a one variable. Okay, and the whatever light will be turned on or turned off based on the IR detector, that light LED is connected to the pin number 13. Okay, so I want to store the IR detector value in a one variable. Okay, why, that will discuss. Okay, one by one. So that's why I am storing I am writing a one variable name int IR sensor state. Okay, what is the IR detector state? Okay, that I am stored want to store in a one variable. Okay, so for that the int ascend state is equal to 0. This I have written. So under the void setup function, this mode, okay, I have to configure the mode of this pin number 6. So the IR detector will send the data from IR detector to the Arduino. That's the we are collecting data. So that's the particular pin number 6 that will be acted as a input pin. Okay, so that's why the under the pin configuration it is mentioned that IR send pin input. Okay, then send serial dot begin within bracket 9600. Okay, so under the void loop function, okay, you want to read this detector output. Okay, you want to read the detector output. That output you are storing into that variable, whatever variable I'm declaring. Okay, so this variable I have mentioned, that is equal to digital read. Okay, so object is there or not. Okay, two different value we can only store. Okay, in the IR detector. So we are collecting the digital data. Okay, for collecting read operation, the data is digital. That's why the digital read operation will be applicable here. So digital read within bracket to from where I am applying the digital read. Okay, on which pin? Okay, the pin number 6. Okay, where the IR detector is connected. Okay, the digital read within bracket pin number 6. Here I am pin number. I'm storing pin number 6 is the one variable. Okay, now if my digital read, if my sensor data is low, then no object. Okay, if my sensor data is low, then serial beam, no object, and the LED will be also the pin number 13 LED. Okay, this LED will be also low. Okay, otherwise means then the if LED is high, sorry, detector value is high. If this value is here, this value is high, then object is detected and LED will be turned on. Okay, for turn on and turn off, I have already explained how we have to write the code for turn off and turn on. Okay, so here we are mentioning the if else statement. Okay, so this operation will be sustained for some time. For that, I have mentioned the delay 100. Okay, again the for loop will be continue. Again, it will continuously detect any object is there not. Again, it will be turn on or turn off the LED. So this is about uh, the digital read operation. Okay, so another is the uh, analog write. Okay, so this analog write I will discuss in the next lecture. Now I'll show you the how you can emit the three different LED. Okay, this I'll show you now. So here is this is the circuit diagram for the three LED blinking. So in the from the right hand side I have taken the Arduino. Right, so you can connect the three different LEDs. Normally, you can drag and drop the any one this LED, which has two terminals. And when you right click on the LED, when you click on the LED, you can see the color option. So if you change the color will be changed. In this way, I have placed the LED three times, copy paste the LED three times, and I have changed the color like this way. Okay, and the register I have taken from the right hand side, and you have connected the register. The anode terminal is connected with the pin through the register, these three registers, and the negative terminal I have connected with the ground. There are the three ground pins. You can easily connect the three LEDs with the three ground pins. If you want to connect the four LEDs but you have the only three ground, so for that you need the breadboard. Okay, now in the code section you can write the code. Okay, so you can copy the code from the single LED blinking and just you can modify the code. Okay, the whatever code I have mentioned told the same code you have written here 2 5 10. So I have connected the three LEDs in pin number 2, pin number 5, and the pin number 10. Okay, so these three terminal I have connected, and I have taken the on off time as a 100 millisecond. Okay, so LED pin 2, LED pin 5, LED pin. These three are acting as the output pin. Okay, digital write. LED pin number 2 high, then delay on. Okay, and again the digital write LED pin number 2 low, like this. So whatever thing I have told, it's the same thing I have written in the code section. Now, if we click on the start simulation, you can see the three LEDs are blinking. So one red, then green, then blue, like this way. And if you change the delay time, suppose I have written as a 500. Now go to the start simulation. You can see the LED will be turned on for some time. Okay. Based on you can change the delay time, whatever delay time you want to mention. Okay, so in the upcoming lecture I will show you the code and for digital analog write, and the code for the analog write, and Tinkercad demonstration for analog write, and I come followed by the Arduino. How can you write the Arduino program with the Python? This I will discuss in the coming lecture on some other more programming also. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.